Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Nick here, and welcome to Holiday Point Season Competition Season 1, event number 5. Yes, that's right, number 5 has arrived, and not a moment too soon. And as you can see, your leader is Scooby-Doo, driven by Fast Draxler. He's gonna be taking on Tristan Racing Fan 2000, driving the Predator. We'll see if Scooby-Doo can hang on to the first place spot, or will we gonna have a new champion? We're gonna find out right now, but without further ado, if you lose in round 1, you get 1 point. So anyways, let's kick off round 1 with these two trucks, the 2001 Predator and the Carolina Crusher. Here we go. Oh, and Carolina Crusher got him off the line, so he gets the win over Predator. Alright, coming up next, we got your second place spot, that being SpongeBob Fan 23 in Wonder Woman, as he's going to take on Lil Tiger. Let's see how this goes. And Lil Tiger has upset Wonder Woman in round 1. What a way to kick off round 1. Alright, coming up next in round 1, we got the Edge Glow Crustacean taking on the Silver Series Zombie Hunter. And the Silver Series Zombie Hunter is going to take the win over the Edge Glow Crustacean. Up next in round 1, we got Maximum Destruction taking on El Mega. Oh, and I'm out again. Maximum Destruction moves on to round 2. I'm really not in a great shape right now in round 1 matches. Alright, up next, we got Monster and Collector Racing and Instigator looking to redeem himself. He's got to go through the Mud NEA if he wants to go on to round 2. And he does! Instigator is going to round 2. NEA is out. Up next, we got Exterminator taking on Wild Thing. Oh, Wild Thing got him off the line, and he gets the win over Exterminator. Alright, next up we got Doomsday taking on the 2008 Gravedigger. Oh, good race! They're both angled. But it's gonna be the 2008 Gravedigger upsets Doomsday in round 1. Rolling up next in round 1, we got Thunder 4x4, and he's gonna take on the Bulldozer. Oh, Bulldozer got him off the line, but the Thunder 4x4 got him. No, he did not. Bulldozer barely edges out Thunder 4x4. Up next, we got Power Ford taking on Inferno. And Power Ford has won in round 1, eliminates Inferno. What a start for Power Ford. Alright, coming up next, we got the Male-Based Brutus taking on the original Zombie Hunter. And the Male-Based Brutus destroys Zombie Hunter and advanced to round 2. Alright, coming up next, we got Earthshaker taking on He-Man. And Earthshaker destroys He-Man in round 1. He's moving on to round 2. Alright, rolling up next, we got Annihilator taking on the Edge Glow Pirate's Curse. As the captain would say, "Ye better walk the plank." And Annihilator annihilates Edge Glow Pirate's Curse and moves on to round 2. Alright, coming up next, we got the Battle of the Small Hubs. Maniac taking on the 2000s Reptoid. And Maniac gets the win over the 2000s Reptoid. These two trucks were retired in this year, in 2025. And here they are in my sign-off series. Silver Series Mohawk Warrior, Gold Max D. And it's gonna be Mohawk Warrior upsets Max D for the win. Alright, we're almost done in round 1, as next up, we got Mad Scientist taking on the WCW Sting. Oh, Sting got him off the line and he gets the win over Mad Scientist. What a start for the Sting machine. Alright, and then off round 1 is going to be your defending champion, Scooby-Doo, driven by Faster Dracula, as he's going to take on Tristan Racer Fan 2000. This would be a good matchup right here. Scooby-Doo, Predator, who's going to round 2? It's going to be Scooby-Doo with the win over Predator. What a race. Alright guys, so these 16 trucks lost in round 1, meaning they get 1 point. So better luck next time in event number 6. Alright guys, it's time for round 2. And if you lose in this round, you get 2 points. And good luck to these 16 trucks. So, we're going to kick it all off with Carolina Crusher and Lil Tiger. So round number 2 starts things off right now. And Lil Tiger fails early. Flips early, I'm going to say. And that's going to give the win to Carolina Crusher. Alright, coming up next, we got the Silver Series Zombie Hunter, as he's going to take on Maximum Destruction. And the Silver Series Zombie Hunter takes out Maximum Destruction for the win. Alright, up next, we got Instigator, and he's going to take on Wild Thing. Oh, they both did almost the exact same thing, but Instigator, in the end, gets the victor over Wild Thing. Now, this is the battle that I've been waiting for. We got Gravedigger taking on Bulldozer. Battle from 1999's Monster Jam series. Who would win, Gravedigger or Bulldozer? Oh! Gravedigger just shoves Bulldozer out of the way, and he's going to get the win over Bulldozer. No surprise there. And speaking of surprises, up next we got Power Ford, as he's going to take on the Metal-based Brutus. And Brutus takes out Power Ford and moves on to round 3. Rolling up next in round 2, we got Earthshaker and Annihilator. And Annihilator is down for the count. Earthshaker moves on. We're almost done in round 2, as next up we got Maniac taking on the Silver Series Mohawk Warrior. Battle of the M Trucks. And Maniac gets the win over Mohawk Warrior. And to end off round 2 is going to be a character showdown. And here's the thing. This is huge for these 2 trucks. The underdog taking on the champion, Scooby-Doo, Sting. Who's going to round 3? Oh my goodness! The miracle had happened! The upset has been made! Sting takes out Scooby-Doo in round 2! Oh my goodness! Scooby-Doo is shocked! I'm shocked! Sting, oh my word! I mean, wow. Just wow. You talk about a miracle. That has happened once, and now it happened again. Scooby-Doo is out. But these trucks get 2 points, so sorry to these 8 trucks. You did well. Better luck next time in event number 6. Alright guys, we are down to the top 8. It's time for the quarterfinals. I'll say some names when we get to the semis. If you lose in round 3, you get 3 points. Let's kick off round 3 with Carolina Crusher and the Silver Series Zombie Hunter. So which truck is going to the semis? Carolina Crusher or the Silver Series Zombie Hunter? And no surprise there, Carolina Crusher takes out Zombie Hunter. Alright, coming up next, we got Instigator taking on the 2008's Gravedigger. And Instigator's going to the semis. Looks like we got a point change right off the gate for Instigator. We're almost done in round 3, as next up, we got the Metal-based Brutus taking on Earthshaker. And Earthshaker with the upset win takes out Brutus. Definitely some changes in the standings, point standings. And the end of round 3 is going to be between Maniac and this truck that upset the champion, the WCW Sting. Battle of the Small Hubs and Maniac's going into semis. Sting did well, but unfortunately fell short yet again. So these 4 trucks had deserved 3 points. Oh my goodness. I still can't remember the reaction of how Sting defeated the defending champion Scooby-Doo. Oh well. I guess when life gives you lemons. But now it's time for the semifinals. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, it's semifinals time. So, 4 trucks remaining. And surprisingly, no surprise, Instigator is one of them. Driven by Monster Jam Collector Racing. But we do have some newcomers here, so let's say some names. Inside of the Carolina Crusher, we have... Okay, I checked the footage on event number, 4, and Monster Jam Fan 0311 was not in Doomsday. I forgot who somebody was in Doomsday, but inside of Carolina Crusher, we have Monster Jam Fan 0311. My apologies, man. Inside of Instigator, surprisingly, Monster Jam Collector Racing. Inside of Earthshaker, we have Mac Bulldog Mac. Inside the surprising Small Hub Maniac, we have Mark Galloway. Mark Galloway is in my sign-up series, so yeah. Good luck to these 4. And who's gonna go to finals? Let's kick off semis with Carolina Crusher and Instigator. Oh yeah, if you lose in semis, you get 4 points. So here we go. So which truck and driver is gonna make it to the championship race? Is it gonna be Monster Jam Fan 0311 in Carolina Crusher or Monster Jam Collector Racing in Instigator? Let's find out. And Monster Jam Fan 0311 in Carolina Crusher is going to the finals. A tough break for Monster Jam Collector Racing Instigator. Better luck next time, buddy. But who will Carolina Crusher's opponent be? Will it be Earthshaker, driven by Mac Bulldog Mac, or will it be Maniac, driven by Mark Galloway? Who's going to meet Carolina Crusher in the finals? It's going to be Mac Bulldog Mac in Earthshaker, meeting Carolina Crusher in the finals. So sorry to Maniac. Better luck next time. You did good. But Earthshaker is in championship race. So both Instigator and Maniac get 4 points. So better luck next time in event number 6, I believe. Yeah, event number 6. Anyways, it's finals time. Alright guys, it's championship race time. Inside of Carolina Crusher, we have Monster Jam Fan 0311 looking for his first win since he came back to the semis. And inside of Earthshaker, we have none other than the one and only, well, you guessed it, Mac Bulldog Mac, looking for his first win inside of this dump truck. It all comes down to this. So the winner will get 6, and the loser gets 5. Your winner of the Holiday Point Season Competition, Season 1, Event number 5, is going to be none other than Monster Jam Fan 0311 in Carolina Crusher has done it. He's finally got a win. And what a win that was for Carolina Crusher. So congratulations, man. Your first win on the Holiday Point Season Competition. You came out clutch. Congratulations, Monster Jam Fan 0311. You deserve it. Dude, I gotta say, this dump truck looks really fast as a dump truck. Mac Bulldog Mac, you came so close, my man. You just gotta make one step closer, and I know you're gonna get the win someday. Make sure you go for event number 6 if you got the chance. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna get the truck set up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I stacked up trucks, and no surprise there, Instigator had taken the lead back. But guess who's in second? Monster Jam Fan 0311 in Carolina Crusher takes second place. Earthshaker fall behind with third. Scooby-Doo, fourth. Tied for fifth, these three. Sixth, Brutus. 7th, Doomsday. And 8th, Mohawk Warrior. So, that's going to be it, ladies and gentlemen,
thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!